The ICICI Bank Coral Credit Card is an entry-level card that's easy to get and offers solid everyday value. Cardholders get 4 complimentary airport and railway lounge accesses per year, 25% off on Book My Show movie tickets, and support for UPI payments via the Rupay network. It rewards 2 points per 100 spent on regular purchases and 1 point per 100 on utility and insurance bills, a rare perk. Though fuel spends don't earn points, there's a 1% surcharge waiver at HPCL pumps. Users also benefit from dining discounts up to 15% and instant savings during Amazon and Flipkart sales. Annual milestone spends can earn up to 2000 bonus points. The card has a 500 plus GST annual fee, waived on spends of 1.5 lakh, but comes with a 3.5% forex fee, making it less ideal for international use. Final verdict: a strong all rounder for new users and domestic spenders. The ICICI Coral card delivers great value, especially if you shop online or travel within India. But do your own research in a good way. Thank you.